Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to find your W-2 forms on Gusto Payroll. Now this video is going to be particularly useful for individuals who have just gotten started with Gusto Payroll. But if you haven't started with Gusto Payroll just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 gift card mailed to you. Now with Gusto Payroll, in order to find your W-2 forms, is that the first thing you want to do is click on Reports on the left-hand side. And then from here, you want to scroll down to where it says W-2 and W-3 tax forms. Click on View Report. Next on this page, you can see a list of all your W-2 forms and you can filter it by year. You're just going to click on the form that you want, and then the action that you want, you can click on Download. But that right there, guys, is the best and easiest way that I know of to actually go ahead and find your W-2 forms on Gusto Payroll. If you guys know of a better or easier way to actually do this, let me know in the comments down below. And if you haven't signed up for Gusto just yet, you can use my link down below in order to sign up. And once you run your first payroll, you'll get a $100 gift card mailed to you. But thanks so much for watching, everyone, and I'll see you guys all in the next video.